Hello friend, welcome. This is our connect for Java, desktop Java in Eclipse. Okay, and so far we have a empty game board on the screen, right? When we run the app, and stop it. So now it's time to introduce the model view controller design pattern. Okay, so that's what we want to follow. Model view controller, right? Design pattern. So we already have view here. That's our ConnectFour panel. And yeah, so here design pattern is model view and controller. So this is our view. I want to rename this one to the view. I have to follow this. So ConnectFour panel is actually the view. That's you can right click anyone with ConnectFour panel and select the refactor and rename. It will rename all the occurrence in this project. So ConnectFour view. Oh, yeah. So ConnectFour view. Let's rename that. So enter. Does it work? ConnectFour view. Save it. Yeah, Command S and rerun it. Yeah, still works, right? Stop it here. And I want to make this one controller because I want to use this name for our model. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here, like rename, refactor. Refactor means improve the code, right, without changing its functionality. So rename ConnectFour controller. Review the information. Okay, continue. Yeah, nothing is broken. And okay, so we have view and the controller. We still need a model. We haven't created it yet, but let's make sure it's runnable, nothing is broken, and we'll make a commit first. Very important. Commit regularly. So here is the change. So add the change to here, and the comment is renamed ConnectFour to rename the class ConnectFour to ConnectFour controller, and ConnectFour panel to ConnectFour view. Okay, commit and push. Nice. Now let's switch back to our Java default perspective and continue coding. Okay, so let's create a model one. So highlight here, right click this one, new Java class, right? Class. This one will create a ConnectFour model. ConnectFour model. So if we don't put the model here, normally, it's the game engine. Okay, so create one here, and let's implement toString. Okay, toString yeah, override this method. So whatever we return here, when we print out an object of that thing, it will use this thing. Okay, so for example, we return Connect4 game board. Okay, so for example, now we can go, okay, save it. We can display both of them here like that. Here is our model, right? For example, we create a model here. Like ConnectFourModel. We say game equals new ConnectFourModel, right? And if we print out that thing here, game, we'll see this in the console. Okay, let's try it. Run. Yeah, you see on the console, right? Connect4 game board. Now stop it. But here we want to output a description of our state of the game, so it will be a game board, right? And we'll test that using our unit test. So how can we do that? We can right click here, ConnectFourModel, right click, new unit test case. So make sure we are put this in our test directory. Okay, so next, and ConnectFourModel, this one, so available. So test method, let's test this method. Okay, toString, finish. Test the toString. Okay, so now you see here we create a new function, right? No, new file here, ConnectFourModel test. Now let's drag this guy to here, and maybe we can close the other two tabs. Now we'll create our, yeah, let's get rid of this one and create a ConnectFourModel, right? Game equals ConnectFourModel, like that. So we can print out the game here, right? Save it. Oh, what is the problem? I forgot the new, and now let's run it. So we can right click here, right? Remember, right click and run as JUnit test. Let's see. Okay, cool. We have this, right? Now every time we just needed to click this guy, we can run this code. That's what we need. We don't want to run the complete application. Now let's try to output our game board. So first, okay, so let's define our string description, or game description, right? Description equals empty. Now let's output our a dot, okay, like that, plus equal means concatenation, right? Now we can output the DESC, the description, okay, save and run it. Oh, sorry, a dot, I mean space and a dot. What if I don't save it? Let's run it. I think it will be automatically saved. Yeah, when we run it, the modified code, right, will be automatically saved before Java compiles it and run it. So we have a dot. Now we need 7 of them in a row. So 7 of them. Let's use a for loop. Okay, for int, this is colon, starts from 0 and colon less than 7, and every time it increases by 1, like that. We should have, sorry, it's not I, colon. Now run it. Yeah, we have 7 of them, right? Cool. Now we need 6 rows of them, right? So we need another for loop, like row equals 0, row less than, now this time is 6 rows, so plus plus. So we can highlight that and Control I. No, sorry, the shortcut key should be Command Shift F, I guess. Yes, Command Shift F to auto format it. Now let's run it. Does it work? Of course no, right? Because we don't have line break. Yeah. So where do we put the line break? Here, after each row, right? Line break is \n. Now let's try it again. Cool, right? Let's make it wider, higher. Okay, how can we add the label near the button? At the button, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy, right? We can just do this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it should be there. No, cancel. I forgot the semicolon because Java is very, very old. It's still using this annoying semicolon. Okay, now this will be our row 0. Okay, logical thing, logical concept. We'll use the bottom left as the origin, 0, 0. Okay, so how can we do that? Can we do this? Like add a something like row plus that, so means we'll convert this integer to, oh, we need a space here to separate. Yeah, so this one, this is a number, will be converted to string and then be concatenated with the following string. Okay, now let's try it. Oh, we don't need this space because we already have a space here in front of the dot. So Okay, but it seems that it's upside down, right? We want the 0 to be at the bottom and going up. So actually this is not row. This is not a row. Let's rename it to refactor, rename it to I. Okay, now the row is actually 5 minus I. This is our row. Okay, the logical row, run it. Yes, it works, but we need another space here. Right here, you see, after we insert a label there. Okay, now the final version. Ta-da! This is our game board. Okay, empty one. We haven't put any pieces there. Yeah, but initially the Connect4 game is like that, right? It's not like a chess game. We have pieces on that. No, at the beginning there's no piece on the Connect4 game, and we are happy. So with the we implemented the description actually is by overriding, right, this toString method. Now let's go to here to make a commit. So add those changes to staged. Yeah, staged changes. So we can say implemented toString function, right, method of ConnectFourModel class, that, and commit and push. Great, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.